Most people use ChatGPT wrong. Today, we're showing you the exact techniques that save time, boost productivity, and unlock features 99% of users miss. Your prompts determine your results. Instead of vague requests, be specific, include context, desired format, and tone. Example, write a professional email summary in bullet points beats, summarize this. Use roleplay prompts like act as an expert and explore better responses. This single shift dramatically improves output quality. ChatGPT's of responses once, then apply them tools most users ignore. Use custom instructions to set your preferences once, then apply them to every conversation. Upload documents for analysis, create GPTs for specialized tasks. Use code interpreter for data analysis and problem solving. These features multiply your productivity instantly, chain prompts together for complex tasks. Break projects into steps rather than one massive request. Save conversation templates for recurring tasks. Use ChatGPT Plus for faster responses and GPT-4 when precision matters. These workflow tweaks save hours weekly across coding, writing, and research projects. Always fact-check outputs. ChatGPT hallucinates. For real-time data, combine it with web browsing. Keep conversations focused for better context retention. Be clear about limitations in your workflow. ChatGPT excels at brainstorming, drafting, and learning, not replacing expertise. Use it as a collaborator, not a replacing expertise. Use it as a collaborator, not a replacement. Master daily subscribe for breaking ChatGPT app tech, exparty and do's. Drop a comment. What's your favorite ChatGPT XGPT XGPT at updates? Wife, what I'll be to use